Hey, I'm Kristen Kish, and I'm here with Kroger to celebrate Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. We're gonna be making a flatbread with spinach, mushrooms, and a little Fontina cheese. Come and check it out. So we're gonna start by making a cheese sauce. Unsalted butter, whole milk, flour, and then from there, we're gonna add a Fontina cheese. Our flour and our butter is completely incorporated together, and this is where we're gonna add our whole milk. And I highly recommend using your non-dominant hand so you look like me, trying to do this. And then we're gonna start to add the cheese in a little bit at a time. I'm gonna turn off my heat and just let it hang out. I'm gonna take our Monterey mushrooms, I'm gonna quarter them, the hefty gulp of olive oil, shallots, garlic, some fresh thyme, a touch of salt, fresh ground pepper, and we're gonna toss those together. We're gonna pop them in a 400-degree oven. So this is the point where we wanna take our spinach and we're gonna add it all in there. All right, so our spinach is ready, our cheese sauce is ready. Now we're gonna take these gorgeous naan, touch of olive oil, and then next up is our cheese sauce. Oh my God, look at those. It's gorgeous, crispy mushrooms, some of that spinach. I'm gonna tuck it in around the mushrooms. We're going to add just a little / a lot bit more cheese over the top. All right, so now our naan are built, ready to go in the oven. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So the FGF brand's naan, our Monterey mushrooms, our gorgeous Fontina cheese sauce. What's not to love? It's tasty. It celebrates amazing family-owned businesses, Asian-owned businesses. Yay for us. So now I'm gonna eat it. That is amazing. You can find this recipe and recipes like this at Kroger.com. Grab all your ingredients at your local Kroger family store. And thank you so much for celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month with Kroger, myself, and now my lunch. So I'm gonna keep eating, but you gotta go.